Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Updates. Then let's tap on Software Update at the top, and here tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner. So here we've got two options. The first one is directly connected with the automatic download over Wi-Fi, and if you've got this option turned off, I highly recommend to tap on it to turn it on actually, because your device will simply automatically check for the updates, and if there is an update available, then it will download it into your device basically. And what I also highly recommend to do is to keep this option turned on. So if you've got it turned off, just make it active, because thanks to it your device will not only download the updates, but it will also update the system overnight. So usually it will happen at night, so between 2 and 4 a.m. When the device is not in use. So highly recommend to keep both of those options turned on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.